Tutorial me, voluntary ako. Paano ba mag-file ng sickness benefit under voluntary? Login lang kayo sa SSS Online. Once makapag-login na, click the three lines in the upper left and then click benefits and click sickness application. Complete your confinement or bed rest details and then require po ang license number ng doctors or ng OB. And make sure nyo na meron kayong enrolled disbursement account before mag-file ng sickness benefit. Once na makomplete yung details, need to submit the supporting documents. Ano-ano nga ba ang kailangan supporting documents? Need natin mag-request ng medical certificate and then other procedures, kailangan po ito ay naka-certified true copy ng OB. Once ma-submit or ma-upload yung required documents, after ma-review, click the certify. Once ma-certify, you can submit the application and make sure na updated yung email na naka-register sa SSS. If you want to know more or meron pa kayong mga question, you can comment down below.